Hi guys, this is Joseph. This is my wife, Yahida.
Hello.
Okay. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to pronounce the vowels in Spanish and also the Spanish R, because lots of Americans we have issues with rolling the R. Ra, re, those words. So what you need to do, once you know the vowels in Spanish, you have A, E, O, U. Baby, pronounce the vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, now once you learn that, you can pronounce any word in Spanish because all the vowels are heard and they all are pronounced. You just about all the words, and there are some rules, exceptions. I'll get to those later. Okay, and now let's put the letter R in front of the vowels, and that's where it becomes difficult for most of us English-speaking people. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, baby.
Ra, re, ri, ro, ru.
Okay, so how do you flex your tongue? I'm going to show you a trick that I learned. This is over 20 years ago when I was learning Spanish. I was like ra, re, ri, ro, ru. I couldn't do it. So my friend of mine, that's from Mexico, he showed me a trick. I got a stick here, but you can take a pen or pencil, anything around this size, and put it between your teeth and count from 1 to 10 in Spanish about 3 or 4 times, and that will flex your tongue where you can actually pronounce the R's. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go ra, re, ri, ro, ru. And do it several times, and you'll be able to do that. And if this video was any help to you at all, don't forget to like and subscribe below, because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming. And me and my wife's going to say, see you in the next video. God bless you guys. Thank you.